like this. This is the dough of cheese pirak, guys, ha. Start like this. You see, small. You see, guys, ha, only like this, ha. Aywa. Oh, this is cheese. Aywa. How to make cheese pirak? Cut, habibi. Soya small ka lang, ha, habibi, kung soya small, ha. Aywa. You see, guys, how to make cheese pirak, ha. Okay, order, ha. Aywa, like this at the finishing, guys, ha. What is this, Ada? At tani, what is this? Change?
Many things good.
Good. Mape like this, ha? Put one,
Tambir.
put one, Hada, ha? Put one 7 days, ha? Mape like this, you see? Sim tapan, Hada. Put 7 days, ha? Maybe isa, Hada. Ayan, guys, ha? No problem, I come. Yes, no problem. Ayan, guys, ha? Put 7 days, aywa, now. Here. Oh. This is finishing, guys, ha? You see? Wow. Kind of fresh. Not he make here fresh. This is delicious, guys. You see, I eat one, ha? I put one, ha? For tasting, guys, ha? Fresh. I have tasting 2 pieces, ha? I tasting, guys, ha? Sample. Yes. See, guys, ha? 3 minutes finish. You see, guys, ha? I put it around, ha? You see? Wow. Half cook now. Ayan, guys, ha? Ready to cook na siya, guys, ha? Ayan. Sample natin na kakainin natin yan, guys, ha? Ayan, guys. Sample natin, guys, ha? Wow. Ayan na, guys, ha? Sample natin yan, ha? Ayan, guys, ha? Ikat na. Wow. Oh.